chicken, ain't it?
He's bigger.
He went in the bushes now, didn't he?
Shit, I don't know where they are right now. Where'd they go?
They went in the bushes.
I know, but I still can't see them.
I can't see either one of them either. I know where they went in at. I see the peanut butter. I see that little red. And you missed it. He chased him.
Oh, I see him coming out.
Peanut butter chased him all the way around, trying to grab his tail, and Peanut went in the bushes.
I can find your gun. I don't know where you put it.
I think it's in one of the drawers. Where is he?
Big guy shooting in the bushes of our stuff.
You can sort of hear the bushes around, like, moving.
You see him?
No. I don't see him.
You know how a couple men a little farther?
They're not visible at all.